Hello guys, in the previous video we have seen how to find circumcenter of the triangle. In this video we will learn how to find orthocenter of the triangle. Okay, before that we need to know what is orthocenter. You must have learned in the previous classes. So orthocenter is nothing but point of intersection of altitudes from the vertices. Which means, let's say there is a triangle A, B, C. We know this triangle. Let's say the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. If you draw the altitudes or the heights from all the vertices, let's say this is one of the height. Similarly, the other height is, so as it is height, it should be perpendicular with the other side or opposite side. Similarly, this should be perpendicular. Let's say this is point D and this is point F. Similarly, if you draw the third height from C, you get something like this. These three heights intersect at a point O, which is some x, y. This is called orthocenter. So, whereas in the circumcenter, it is intersection of perpendicular bisectors, whereas in the orthocenter, it is intersection of altitudes. If you see in the previous case, the points D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, midpoints of AB and midpoints of AC. But in this case, they may or may not be the midpoints because it is the AD is the height. So it may bisect or may not bisect. We don't know that. So now we need to find the point O, which is intersection of any of two heights. Let's say AD is the line equation of one height and BF is the line equation of other height. If you find the intersection of those two heights, you get a point O. Or else you can take other two heights, and if you find the intersection, you will get the same O, which is orthocenter of the triangle. Now let's do what's the idea behind this. So the idea behind is AD is perpendicular to BC, which means slope of AD into slope of BC should give -1. We know the point A. The point A is given or known, and BC are also known. Then we get the slope of BC. As we know the slope of BC, we get the slope of AD because these two are perpendicular. We know the slope of AD and we know your point A. So from the point slope form, we can get the line equation of AD. Similarly, CE is perpendicular to AB, which means slope of AB into slope of CE should give -1. Similarly, BF is perpendicular to AC, which gives slope of AC into slope of BF equals -1. And we know the points A, B, C. So we get the line equations of these three heights. You can find intersection of any two heights. Find intersection of any two heights. Why? Because even the third height also intersect at the same point because these three heights are concurrent lines. Find intersection of any two heights or altitudes. Heights and altitudes are the same, just a different word, or altitude. So we get the orthocenter. Let's do a small problem. The question is, we need to find orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 3. Let's say this is some A 1, 2 and B 2, 3 and C 4, 3. So one height AD, we need to find one of the equation of AD. Slope of BC is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So, as the slope of BC is 0, that means it is parallel to x-axis. So, slope of BC is 0. Then, that implies slope of AD equals to which is, let's say, slope of AD is nothing but infinite, because BC is x-axis which is parallel to x-axis. Then any line which is perpendicular to x-axis will be parallel to y-axis. So the slope of AD is infinite. So the equation of AD will be y equals to 2. Slope of AD will be, y minus 2 equals sum infinite into x minus 1, which gives x equals to x minus 1 equals to 0, which is x equals to 1, which is parallel to y-axis. X equal to 1, which looks like this. This is 0.1. So this is one of the altitude, x equal to 1. As we know that BC is somewhere here, B and C, which is parallel to x-axis, and A is 1, 2, which is somewhere here, A. So the triangle is A, B, C. The altitude will be this line, x equal to 1. Similarly, slope of AC equals y2 minus y1, which is 3 minus 2 by 4 minus 1, which is 1 by 3. So, slope of, let's say this is some BF. Slope of BF equals minus 3, because their product should be minus 1. So, equation of BF equals y minus, one point is B, which is y minus 3 equals minus 3 into x minus 2, which gives 3x plus y minus 3 into minus 3 is 6. If you take 6 to the left side, which gives minus 9 equals to 0. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. As from the 1, x equal to 1, put that x equal to 1 in the second equation, which gives 3 into 1 plus y minus 9 equal to 0, which gives y equals to 6. So the ortho center is, ortho center is 1, 6, because we got x coordinate as 1 and y coordinate as y equal to 6. Thank you.